sand belt broke, cut through my hand, and this is sharper than you think, so I've got a big cut in the palm of my hand, and that was really panic, but it's cleaned up, it's disinfected, there's tape around it, and I cut off a glove so to protect it from dirt, because I want to finish this project. But it's a lesson learned. I got these old sandpaper belts, and they've been a bit laying around, and I guess the moisture made them, I don't know, made the seam not work, or I don't know what happened, but lesson learned. I ordered new ones, so only use new ones and don't use the old ones, because, well, they could break and they could really hurt you. So what am I doing? I am making sides for the dog bed. The dog's not happy with it, you know, because when she rolls over, she rolls off the bed, so there needs to be sides and a back. And I took just a few old planks and a bit of the upholstery, made that around it, and I want to put a wooden back on it, screw them on, and then have nice little brackets that go onto the dog bed. So let's see if we can do it with this hand and finish this. Welcome back in the Not Just Sawdust workshop. hard sides on my dog bed. I had to screw them on because otherwise I cannot take out this feather mattress anymore, and you never know whether you want to change something, so these are just screwed on the side, so I can always take them off and put other upholstery on it or whatever needs to be done. Let's see if she will lay on it now. I guess that's more or less the way the dog likes it, so she can't roll off when she falls asleep. This was a small project, but an important one. So it would be a shame to make a complete bed like that and then the dog doesn't use it. For now I would say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. Use reclaimed wood. It's an even better way to spend your time. And see you all in the next video. At the logo.